9/24/2020 Dow Jones test 20-week moving average. You see it right here. It broke down. It tested it. It was up on the day. It sold off. It ended up 52 points. We tested the major moving average for now. That's going to be the support for the Dow. Now, for you day traders and Robinhood people, you think you know what you're doing. Well, you got another thing coming because this Dow is down big. I called the top in the NASDAQ composite, the NASDAQ 100, and all of the people that bid these stocks up with gambling, they got taken to the woodshed. Bottom line, to the woodshed. No sympathy. It happens in markets. Irrational, exuberant, gambling, the whole thing with retail. You people need to learn what you're doing. That support on the Dow Jones and the S&P got it as well. So there is a bounce and there is a resistance. We are short-term oversold due for bounces. They're selling into these bounces, and they are. And people are waiting on a stimulus check. It's a crock. There isn't no need for stimulus checks. People can go out there and work and get a job. Period. Now, the Dow hits the low and it hit my target to the penny. And it did, 26,537. That is the support level. Now, let's take a look at this, everyone, together on the daily. Now, on the daily, we still have a major moving average called the 200-day. And it's right here on the Dow, right around 26,000. Oh, I don't know. Let's just call it, just to be safe, 26,253. That is a daily moving average that we have not tested. But when we look at the short-term stochastic and where the algorithms kick in for a rally, that is short-lived. And if you don't know what you're doing in the option market and you buy it, number one, they're overpriced. If you don't know how to get the right entry, you're going to get taken to you're going to get hosed. But on the Dow Jones, we're looking good. I'm going to set an alert right here above that major 200-day moving average on the Dow on the daily. So when I go to the monthly on the Dow, we are hitting, and there is a major monthly moving average right here at 26,266. We will come down there and test it no matter what. And yes, the Dow made a remarkable rally. There's a lot of problems with these markets. August was the worst thing that could have ever happened. And I seen it in 1999, I seen it in year 2000, and I told all of our traders, and we made a fortune when this market dropped like a rock. I said it would drop like a rock over here. It rallied up, it dropped like a rock on the Dow, and it found support on the monthly. It found support short term on the weekly, 20-week moving average on the Dow. We have earnings season coming. We have the election. More volatility. You've already seen a lot of volatility, and it ate you up, as it should. People who do not have experience, you do not belong in these markets. Not with this kind of volatility. You don't have the experience, and you don't. And your profit and loss statement, that is going to be the proof. And we made a lot of money today, over $60,000. So we made a lot of money each and every day. So there are rallies that will come off at the bottom and you sell them. Then, hey, this market has more turmoil to come. And yeah, you get what we call support levels. Yes, you do get bounces. Yes, you are going to have resistance. Yes, the sellers are still there. Yes, you will have gap opens from short-term oversold market. We're going to close out September. Tomorrow's going to be Options Friday. And the call side of the market is totally deflated, and it's set up for a nice bounce. So, like I said, there are nice ranges in here. and lots of money to be made. But if you don't know what you're doing and you're buying into the highs and whatnot, you can really get killed, and we don't want to see that. That's the last thing. You know, we have traders around the world, and we're good at what we do after 35 years. And our compassion is for people like you that get caught up. And, you know, look, the way the world was, it's not going to return that same way. And it's not. And you better be putting on your seatbelts for this winter. And I am dead serious. COVID cases are running rampant. They're starting to bust out again. They're busting out in the UK. You got cases climbing. They opened bars up again here in the United States. They did everything that they could do to open crap up again so that COVID can be the number one killer. They just don't learn their lesson. And they haven't. And they are not going to ever learn their lesson. Because even if there is a vaccine, people aren't going to believe in the vaccine. And people are reckless. And people that go into bars with no mask on and drinking and blowing their shit around and spreading COVID. Well, you got support on the Dow Jones, pal. There is more downside coming. You can mark my words. Because when this thing does break support, when it breaks support level, we're going a lot lower. And we haven't had a flush out.
Reestablished.
There isn't no capitulation. You need to take these day traders out. We need more margin calls. Yeah, margin calls. We've had a lot of them come out at a lot of different brokers, and boy, have they called the margin calls in. And they have, and they're going to be calling more in. Oh, yeah. For you people that don't listen to me, you're going to pay the price. You're already paying it. You had your chance.
Market data connection.
I don't even know why you come back here and watch the video. We do them for our traders. You don't listen. Why even watch them? Why? How rich are you right now from your trading? Ask yourself. Dow Jones, support on a weekly, daily, a little bit oversold. Continue to sell into rallies. Anything that hits that resistance is a short. Traders market, volatility continues. Day traders get whacked.